Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare copper gaskets versus metal gaskets. We'll dive into the distinct characteristics of each material, exploring how they perform under different conditions. You'll learn about their strengths and weaknesses, helping you make an informed decision for your specific application. This comparison will highlight key factors like heat transfer, sealing capabilities, and durability, ensuring you choose the optimal gasket for your project. Copper gaskets are renowned for their superior thermal conductivity, efficiently dissipating heat away from critical areas. Their malleability allows them to conform precisely to mating surfaces, ensuring a very effective seal, especially under high temperatures. A significant advantage is their reusability. After annealing, copper gaskets can often be reinstalled. They also demonstrate strong resistance to various corrosive agents, extending their lifespan in demanding conditions. Beyond copper, other metal gaskets, often made from steel or aluminum, offer exceptional structural integrity and durability. These gaskets are engineered to endure very high pressures and extreme temperatures, making them suitable for demanding industrial settings. Their robust construction provides superior crush resistance, maintaining seal integrity even under significant mechanical stress. They are a reliable choice for applications requiring long-term performance and resilience in harsh environments. When selecting between copper and other metal gaskets, consider your specific application's demands. For situations requiring excellent heat transfer and a highly conformable, often reusable seal, copper is an outstanding choice. However, if your project involves extreme pressures, very high temperatures, and a need for maximum structural rigidity and crush resistance, then a different metal gasket material will likely be more appropriate. Match the gasket to the job for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.